Alright, so today we're looking at the clone of the A.R.M.S. H&K claw mount. This one has the built-in Weaver Picatinny adapter. I'm going to try to find out exactly what it is and put it in the description. Anyway, this is a zinc alloy, die-cast, fairly high quality. It's not too heavy. And I'm going to show you guys today, this is marked for the MP5 and G3. I believe the model is 9431. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it. I'm going to warn you, this is kind of tricky if you've never worked with a claw mount before. I had a lot of frustration with it, but hopefully my video will be able to keep you from throwing your claw mount in a fit of rage. And it fits on. So I'm not quite sure what all these knobs and dials do. I know that this one goes up and down, but it doesn't seem to do anything. It doesn't. I think one lets the legs move, the little locking tabs right here that fit into the groups, but I'm not entirely sure. Like, either way I have it, this one moves back and forth, but it doesn't on the MP5. So the direction you want is for the longer end to go right here, and then you're gonna put it in. Let me just unlock. You got this tab right here. You push that, and then that releases it. So when you're putting it on, you want to find, there's a little tab here, and there's one further down here, and then on the MP5, you got your tabs here and here. Okay, so let's try putting it on the MP5 first. That's what I started out with. That's what we're gonna do. So let's come over to this side here, find our tabs again. Again, you want the longer side facing this way. So this guy, it mounts up just a bit differently than the G3. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to manually position. You can see these little moving knobs here. You have to position these like so, all the way down. You want to make sure that, see this little guy here? You want to make sure that goes directly over this little square piece here. So that's how you'll know you got it lined up right. Okay, again, make sure that your tabs are coming in on the left. Okay, I gotta do this off camera. This is just nuts. Okay, I got it, but there's something weird about this mount. So, when I first put it on, it was like moving up and down, left and right really hard. But then I pushed down on this part here, and then it kind of locked up, and then I had to push up here again. And then now it's not moving left or right, so this isn't doing anything. I think this is mainly operated by this tab here. That lets it come off, but this tab here is just a mystery to me. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put it on the G3. Okay, the G3's just a bit easier. So again, we have to find that square there. Okay, put it on, and then we're going to making sure that we come in from the right, and bam. There it is. See? Oh. What happened there? Are all my... Yes, all my things are in place. Okay. Okay, now it's locked in. It's not really moving much. Again, there's just a little bit back and forth, but it's not much. And then again, this tab position here doesn't seem to matter, but yep, that's it. That's how you do the Tokyo Marui A.R.M.S mount. And I think that's really all I have to really show you on this guy. I'm sorry it's just such an erratic technique, but once you figure it out, and hopefully my video will at least give you a starting point. So, thank you for watching. Obviously this will work on the Tokyo Marui originals. They appear to have some difficulty with the clones, but again, they all end up working out. So, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or need any help, let me know in the comments. And have a good day.